You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase from Spanish. If you want to learn more useful Spanish vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. This means my fault or my bad. You know, when you've done something and you want to sort of apologize, saying my bad, sorry, it was my fault. This is in Spanish is pronounced as culpa, which means fault or blame, responsibility, culpa. Mia is mine, my fault, or the fault is mine. Culpa mia. The opposite would be culpa tuya. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.